Hi guys. Hello everybody. Thank you for coming. We are very excited to have a खूबसूरत musical night for you. And फवाद, आप क्यों नहीं बता देते कि हम यहाँ क्या करने वाले हैं?
हम फिलहाल यहाँ पे कथक करेंगे आप लोगों के लिए, जो कि आधा घंटा चलेगा और उसके बाद आप लोग देख के घर चले जाएंगे. If you can see on our right is like a pavilion of musicians sitting there. सारे के सारे अपने गिटार पकड़ के बैठे हुए हैं और हाथ पकड़ के बैठे हुए हैं. A big round of applause for them. So we're going to start off the night with a song जो कि आप सबने बहुत सुना होगा. और आज हम आपके MCs हैं. अगर उस तरह के MCs नहीं तो दूसरी तरह के MCs बन जाएंगे. And we're going to start it off with अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है और अगर आप हमें रोकना चाहते हैं तो आके दिखा दें आपकी बम में कितना दम है. So please call on stage बादशाह.
अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. Awesome.
Make some noise, everyone, for Khoobsurat and Khoobsurat, Sonam Kapoor and the whole team.
Awesome.
And it was amazing working for the movie, the music. So I would like to call upon stage Fawad once again.
फवाद आ जाओ.
हाँ यार इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. किस तरह बोलते हो आप?
फवाद.
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 फाद.
फाद. स्वाद.
So that was one hell of a dance. ये पहली दफ़ा मैंने एक ऐसा डांस नंबर इतनी बत्तियों में होते देखा है. सब कुछ बहुत क्लियरली नजर आ रहा था. बादशाह, you got some serious moves, man. Wow.
Guys, some enthusiasm.
So यार आप लोग बड़े डेड लोग हैं. नहीं मरने को नहीं कहा, जरा थोड़ा शोर मचाने को कहा है. Louder!
Former rockstar babes.
So the next musician जिनको हम बुला रहे हैं स्टेज पे, उन्होंने एक पुराना जी सॉरी एक पुराना फोक सॉन्ग था राजस्थान का, अंजन की सीटी. अंजन की सीटी पे मारो मन डोले. तो मन तो डोलता ही है और आज आई थिंक एक से ज्यादा दफा आई थिंक बम नजर आएगा स्टेज पे. सो I'd like to call the next classy musician on stage with an amazing song for Anjan Ki CD. You want to make the introduction?
No, I just want to say that हमारी जो म्यूजिक कंपोजर है फिल्म की, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर स्नेहा खनवलकर, वो हर गाने को एक ट्विस्ट देती है to make it younger, funner and more original. So a shout out to Sneha for that, who's not listening to me. But amazing, I love her. Anyway, Sunidhi.
So next to come on stage is Sunidhi Chauhan. She needs no introduction, obviously.
Sunidhi.
वाओ, एक्चुअली पार्टी लग रही है. ऐसा बिल्कुल लग नहीं रहा है कि म्यूजिक लॉन्च हो रहा है.
क्या किस पे?
कि आप इतना सेक्सी.
जलते हैं सब के सब. जलते हैं सब के सब. So the next song, तुम्हारी माँ का फोन बज रहा है. मुझे लग रहा है किसी की माँ का फोन बज रहा है. किसी की माँ का फोन बज रहा है. Here's one that's my personal favorite. Sneha and Priya, sorry. They've both done an amazing job on this song. It's a personal favorite of mine. And it's called माँ का फोन.
हाँ.
और अब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि मैं खड़ा होकर यहाँ पे क्या करूँ.
हाँ.
स्नेहा, पिया.
आ जाइए. स्नेहा. Oh.
All right.
You can start with. You can start with. I was about to kiss him. हाँ.
मैंने नाचा नहीं फिल्म में.
हाँ.
उसके पैसे नहीं मिले मुझे नाचने के. उसके कहते हैं ना मैंने नोट फेंका मेरा मूड बना. हमारे यहाँ एक बड़ी पुरानी एक आर्टिस्ट है नूर जहां, उन्होंने एक गाना गाया था. So I don't see the money coming out yet. अभी क्या?
Hello.
Credit पे नहीं चलेगा. Please, give it away.
I could see everybody enjoying the song a lot. Yeah. People are loving this song, man. Oh, wow. Awesome.
What a snooty bunch of people you are, huh?
No, they loving it. They were like shaking their heads.
They were just shaking their heads like this. You might as well just fall on the floor and have an epilepsy attack, I swear. You'd be more entertaining. थोड़ा शोर मचाओ यार. लड़की देखने को नहीं, लड़की ताड़ने को नहीं कह रहा, शोर मचाने को कह रहा है यार. Wow. Oof. Is this what Bombay is like? I swear to God. मुंबई में बिल्कुल भी जान नहीं है. मुंबई में बिल्कुल भी जान नहीं है. I swear to God. हम एक कहाँ पे गए थे कल? We went to Delhi. और वहाँ पे हमने एक छोटा सा एक we went to this NGO का जो एक शो था. And वहाँ पे they were like 10 साल की बच्चियाँ आपसे ज़्यादा शोर मचा रही थी यार. शर्म का मुकाम है. I'd say anyways, I guess you guys are getting bored. You're getting hungry. Are you getting hungry? मैं खुद अपनी टांग तोड़ लूंगा डांस करने से पहले. अंजन की सीटी पे.
बम डोलना चाहिए ना इन्हें. इतना good. It's a cute bum.
Yeah.
You should be doing it.
I have a very bony butt these days. The next song we have on the list is, I keep forgetting the order, sorry. Oh. Baal Khade.
Baal Khade.
Which has been again performed by Sunidhi,
Awesome.
Sneha and Sonam.
No, मैंने कुछ गाया नहीं है. मैं
हाँ,
पागलों की
लेकिन
तरह
बहुत
ऐसे
कुछ
उछलती
किया है
रहती हूँ
इसमें.
उनके साथ.
So please give it up for Sunidhi, Sneha and Sonam once again, and please be more enthusiastic about it this time.
Guys, मैं
That's more like it. ये हुई ना बात.
ये बात. अरे यार, इसको लेकर आओ स्टेज पर. मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहती हूँ कि ये गाना जो है, it's basically a very feminist, amazing song. This happens to be my favorite number of the album. It is really cool. It's very edgy. It's very different. And to all the men out there, this is the answer. Back. Correct?
Yeah.
Awesome. Come on.
Please sing a boy.
Okay, so this next song, the first time I heard it, it made me cry. And the last time I had that kind of reaction, it was a long
When she
time
worked
back.
with me.
Yeah. No, but this is, I think, one of the most soulful songs and the most sensitive songs that I've ever heard in a very, 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 very long time. And it's obviously composed by one of the most original artists that we have. Look at her! Does it look? And I think it's become the hot favorite, even though we've not promoted this song at all, it's become the hot favorite on social media and on the internet. We always save the best for the last, and this is it. This is the best. And obviously, sir, please come here. And sir, I think you need to describe what you've done with this song and why you've done with all the songs in the film.
This actually is the opening lines are Mirabai's lines, poetess Mirabai
So all the
lines.
songs, sir.
You know, all the songs. No, this one particularly, Preet Na Kariyo Koi. So it's like a takeoff on Mirabai's lines, and then the rest of the song is like the original thing. You know? So please listen to it and have a good time, enjoy.
Thank you so much. Sir, you're supposed to talk about all the songs, but we'll talk about it later. Mark up on it.
Amitabh Saab has also written the lyrics for Maa Ka Phone.
And,
So that just shows his versatility. कि एक तरफ इतने offensive हो सकते हैं.
and
और
Sneha's also.
And Sneha has also written it. Why, Rhea, why don't you come on stage and do that instead of just passing on messages from the corner? Please put your hands together for the producer, Rhea Kapoor. song.
So I just wanted to say that Amitabh and Sneha have written the song together. It's Sneha's first lyric credit. Took me about 6 months to get the song out of her, but that doesn't matter right now. Anyway, Preet, I think, is a very honest song. And I think it's Sneha's most honest song. And that there's truth in it, which is why I think it gets a reaction out of people who connect to it. And Jasleen obviously has the most haunting voice I've ever heard. And I hope she's
like 12,
more
right?
and more and more and more. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so the whole thing. Preet once more. Anjan ki city also once more. Oh my God. Preet and Bacha also. Naina also. I don't know which one to. Bacha also. Why?
अब याद आया कि पैसे मिले हैं अब नहीं मिलेंगे पैसे नहीं but wow
I guess, guys.
she looks like she's something out of a Japanese animation है ना
just
but a beautiful song आप लोग क्या सुनना चाह रहे हो फिर से प्रीत नैना प्रीत या नैना both medley अच्छा ठीक है so we're gonna do a medley of Preet and Naina
I don't think that's possible.
क्या बाल खड़े भी साथ में मिक्स कर देते हैं Can we please have the whole team that's put together the songs on stage, please? आ जाओ सबके सब आ जाओ please यार.
Okay, we'll start with Badshah, then we go to Anjan, and then we do Preet. Okay, let's go.
Together the music and Riya Kapoor on the stage, the whole marketing team, everyone. दिखाता हूँ sir, दिखाता हूँ album. Okay. You can get this. You can. आप लोग आगे सामने आओ. Come. कितना पीछे जाएं सर
बस अब awesome. Thank you so much, guys.
No. बहुत शुक्रिया अपनी ये किंग कॉन्ग साइज कलेक्शन एल्बम की प्लीज कलेक्ट करना ना भूलिएगा
फवाद भाई आपके साथ उन्होंने कहा है कि पिक्चर चाहिए मेरे नहीं है पर आपके